Most people are searching for business ideas that actually work in 2025, but very few find ones that produce steady income. Right now, small machines are quietly helping ordinary people earn consistent money, even from home. Some of these machines cost less than a new smartphone, yet they are being used to create real monthly profits. One machine on this list, number 3, is especially powerful and almost no beginners talk about it. People using it are making thousands of dollars every month without drawing attention, and most viewers have no idea how profitable it can be. In this video, you will see exactly what that machine is and why it works so well. Today, I will tell you 10 beginner-friendly machines, how each one is used to start a simple business, and how these setups can be scaled step by step into reliable income sources. Every example is practical, realistic, and already being used by people right now. Watch until the end so you do not miss any important detail. This video is just for informational and educational purposes only. We do not guarantee income or results. Success depends on individual efforts, skills, and market conditions. Number 10. UV Flatbed or Sublimation Printer. This machine is a powerful way to start a customization business from home. The UV Flatbed Printer allows you to print directly onto phone cases, acrylic sheets, metal, leather, wood, and many flat surfaces. A popular beginner model costs around $1,699, which is less than many people expect for a professional printing setup. Setup is simple. Install the software, load UV ink, place the item on the platform, and start printing designs immediately. Each custom phone case costs about $2 to $3 in materials, but can sell for $15 to $20, creating a profit of $12 to $18 per item. Selling just 300 items per month can generate $3,600 to $5,400 in profit. Customers include gift buyers, small brands, and event organizers. Many sellers get steady orders using Etsy, Instagram, and local store partnerships. Number 9. Waffle Maker Machine. This machine is a simple food business anyone can start. It costs around $145 and is designed for fast heating and consistent results. With temperature control and a built-in timer, beginners can easily produce professional quality waffles at home or small events. The machine can make 2 waffles at the same time, allowing quick production. Each waffle costs about $1 or less in ingredients, while selling for $5 to $7, giving a profit of $4 to $6 per waffle. Selling 300 waffles per month can bring in $1,200 to $1,800 profit. Customers include families, neighbors, and local food lovers. Promotion works best through social media pages, food delivery apps, and weekend specials. This machine turns a simple recipe into consistent cash flow. Number 8. Candy Vending Machine. This machine is a low-effort income source. It costs around $220 and can be placed in busy locations like shops, schools, salons, or offices. Each compartment holds hundreds of candies or toy capsules, and the all-metal coin system makes it reliable and secure. Candy costs around $0.02 to $0.03 per piece, while customers pay $0.25 per sale, leaving over $0.20 profit per transaction. With just 1,000 sales per month, one machine can earn $200 to $250 profit. Children and walk-in customers are the main buyers. Success depends on good placement and restocking regularly. Many owners scale by adding multiple machines in different locations, creating passive income without daily involvement. Keep watching. Most viewers underestimate these machines, but one of them on this list costs less than $400 and is already generating thousands in monthly income for people using it correctly. Number 7. Coffee Roaster Machine. This machine allows you to sell fresh roasted coffee, which always has demand. This electric roaster costs around $488 and can roast up to 500 grams per batch. With multiple batches per day, you can roast several kilograms easily from a small workspace with proper ventilation. Green coffee beans cost around $6 to $8 per kilogram, while roasted coffee sells for $20 to $25 per kilogram, giving a profit of $12 to $17 per kilogram. Selling 100 kilograms per month can generate $1,200 to $1,700 profit. Customers include cafes, offices, and online buyers. Marketing through social media, local partnerships, and online marketplaces helps build steady demand. Quality and consistency are key to repeat sales. Number 6. Pasta or noodle making machine. This machine is ideal for home or small food businesses. It costs around $356 and automatically kneads, presses, and cuts dough into different noodle styles. Ingredients like flour and water are very cheap, costing around $1 to $2 per kilogram. Fresh noodles sell for $6 to $8 per kilogram, creating a profit of $5 to $6 per kilogram. Producing just 300 kilograms per month can generate around $1,500 profit. Customers include households, restaurants, street vendors, and online buyers. Promotion works well through food delivery apps, local markets, and social media. Emphasizing freshness and health benefits makes this machine a strong recurring income option. Number 5. CNC router machine. The machine is a compact tool that turns digital designs into physical products with precision. This machine costs around $190, making it one of the most affordable ways to start a manufacturing-style business. Setup is beginner-friendly, with pre-positioned parts, an offline controller, and simple software installation. Once assembled, the machine can carve wood, acrylic, and soft metals into custom products. With this machine, you can create wood signs, keychains, phone stands, jewelry, PCB boards, ornaments, and decorative items. Raw materials usually cost $1 to $3 per piece, while finished products sell for $10 to $50, resulting in a profit of $7 to $40 per item. Selling just 100 items per month at an average price of $20 can generate around $1,500 profit. Customers include online buyers, gift shops, students, and event planners. Customization and personalization help increase demand. Number 4. Laser engraver machine. The machine is one of the most versatile home business machines available. It costs around $160.41 and supports multiple connection options, including USB, Wi-Fi, memory card, and app control. Setup is simple. Assemble the frame, load your design, and start engraving within minutes. This machine works on wood, acrylic, leather, glass, stainless steel, and coated metals. You can create engraved gifts, plaques, signs, coasters, jewelry, and personalized accessories. Materials usually cost $1 to $3 per item, while finished products sell for $15 to $100, creating a profit of $10 to $80 per item. Selling 80 items per month at an average price of $25 can generate around $1,400 profit. Customers include event planners, gift buyers, and small businesses. Social media visuals and custom orders drive consistent sales. If you think the best machines are already taken, the next one proves why beginners are still earning over $2,000 profit per month with very little competition. Number 3. 3D printer. This machine is one of the most powerful machines for creative home businesses. Priced at around $398.99, it features auto leveling, fast printing, and high temperature extrusion for strong and detailed products. Setup is simple. Load filament, choose a design, and start printing. This machine allows you to produce phone stands, toys, miniatures, tools, replacement parts, home decor, jewelry, and custom gadgets. Filament costs are very low, usually $1 to $5 per item, while products sell for $15 to $100, resulting in a profit of $10 to $90 per item. Producing and selling 100 items per month at an average of $30 can generate around $2,200 profit. Customers include tech lovers, students, hobbyists, and online buyers. Short printing videos perform especially well on social media platforms. Number 2. Candle making machine. This machine is one of the easiest businesses to start from home. It costs just $52.99 and includes wax melting equipment, scents, dyes, tins, and packaging. Setup requires very little space and no technical experience. Each candle costs around $2 to $3 to make, while selling for $10 to $20, giving a profit of $8 to $17 per candle. Selling 150 candles per month at an average price of $15 can generate up to $2,000 profit. Customers include gift buyers, home decor shoppers, and event planners. Seasonal scents and attractive packaging increase sales. Many sellers succeed by using Instagram, Etsy, and local gift stores. This machine proves that small investments can still produce strong monthly income. Number 1. Heat Press Machine. This machine is a reliable way to create custom apparel and merchandise. It costs around $199.99 and is easy to operate, with automatic heat and pressure adjustment. The large press size allows printing on shirts, hoodies, bags, caps, mugs, and wood signs. A custom t-shirt costs about $5 to $7 to produce, while selling for $20 to $30, resulting in a profit of $15 to $23 per item. Selling 100 shirts per month at an average price of $25 can generate up to $2,000 profit. Customers include schools, sports teams, businesses, and event organizers. Marketing through social media, online stores, and local partnerships helps scale quickly. This machine turns simple designs into repeat orders and consistent income. These machines prove that you do not need a big factory, employees, or massive capital to build income in 2025. Each option on this list can be started with a relatively small investment, clear steps, and consistent effort. Whether it is a machine costing under $100 or one that generates over $2,000 in monthly profit, the opportunity depends on how you use it. Tell us in the comments which machine you would start with and why. Like the video, share it with someone who needs a better income option, and subscribe for more practical machine-based business ideas. See you in the next video.